Anong ginawa ni Harry? Nakakuha na sila ng isang deer. Tapos nung na-stroke yung kasama niya, umuwi siya. Dala-dala niya yung deer na nakuha niya. Sabi ng kasama niya, "Where's John?" Sabi naman ni Harry, hayaan, na-stroke siya. Ba't mo iniwan si John? Bakit mo dinala yung deer? Sabi naman ni John, anyway, hindi naman nanakawin si John. Yung deer, pag-iiwan ko ay nanakawin. He's not carrying the salvation of his companion, but rather, what? Earning. Nag-earn muna yung anong nasa isip niya. Earning things before that salvation. God's kingdom before material things. Salvation is the highest priority in our life. We need to work out our own salvation, and we need to care the salvation of others before earning. The church must take priority in our lives. The house of God needs to be rebuilt, but either build first their own house. Brethren, this is a challenge for us. It will always reflect unto us. As you can see, the denomination, when you look at their buildings, when you look at their chapel, talagang na-impress ka, ang ganda. Kikita mo talagang maganda, uniform sila lahat. Magaganda yung chapel nila. Pag sa Church of Christ, ang yayaman ng mga members, pero yung chapel nila, hindi maganda. Ang sabi niya doon sa Hagay, you're sleeping in your paneled house, and then, hinahayaan niyo yung templo ng Diyos na ruin, hindi natapos. Why? Because these people did not emphasize in prioritizing what is of God. Ang inuna nila yung para sa kanila. Second thing, righteousness before making of money. Principle is more important than material gain. Especially this what we call the biblical principles. What shall a man profit if he shall gain the whole world and loseth his own soul? Or what shall a man give in exchange to his soul? Ano ba yung mapapala ng tao? Na maangkin niya ang buong mundo, pero yung kanyang kaluluwa ay nawawala. Ano ba yung maibigay niya in exchange to his soul? Pera? In exchange to his soul, the whole world? In exchange to his soul, his riches? No, it should not be. There should not be an exchange to our own soul. The material things, hindi yun. Yung buong mundo ibigay sa'yo, hindi yun. Si Kristo nga, nung siya ay tinempt ni Satanas, ibibigay